Alright, today's video we're going to be testing out these 2.5-inch salty rippers that 805 Custom Baits just came out with. They're a lot bigger than the 2s, so hopefully it'll catch some bigger perch. And then we're also going to be trying its new hooks and see how they do. So let's get out there. I'm going to be fishing the North Coast with the 2.5 with the Shimano Sedona 3000 30-pound braid to a 20-pound fluoro leader. So let's see how it does. So just showing up to the beach. Water's looking pretty darn good. The wind's supposed to pick up in a bit, but I'll be out of here by then. So I'm probably just gonna start right here, work my way down to the left, and try to find those holes, try to get a bit. All right, first cast. Water seems kind of dirty. I'm already picking up some crap, so it's not a good sign, but we'll keep moving around and trying to find a better location. But I can already tell I got a bunch of seaweed already. Got a stick and move. See? A lot of times you can just get this crap off too by not this time. There we go. There we go. Alright. So I've probably walked like a quarter mile. Made like 50 casts. I've gotten a few little nibbles, but they're all just dinks. The water's kind of dirty, but we'll keep fishing. See if I can find a spot where there's some better action. So when you're surf perch fishing with grubs in a sea rig, it's really simple. You just cast it out as far as you can and then immediately start slow retrieving it. And that's it. You wait for bites. If you get a bite, you don't really need to set the hook hard. You just want to reel faster and kind of maybe give it a tiny little hook set, but that's all there is to it. Really repetitive. Casting over and over and over. Covering ground, looking for holes. You find a spot that's getting bit frequently, just stay and fish it out. And then when the bite stops, stick and move. It's been really slow today, but I think we got 3. Oh, there we're on. There we go. So this one's not very big either, but at least I'm catching them. So it looks like I found a nice little hole. It's pretty cool. Solid. Woo. It's a big boy. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. That's the one I was looking for. One I've caught so far. I wouldn't even call it a dink, but little guy. A little smaller. I got a tank. Feels good.
That's a tank. Boom.
Nice little 13. I'm gonna take this one home and eat it.
Hit again. Another one. Another one. Still small. This it's alright. 2.5s are doing well. So all in all, I really like the new 2.5 805 custom bait salty rippers. Got a nice little stringer of fish right there. Pretty decent sized ones. But yeah, they work really great. I didn't catch any dinks, which is super awesome. And yeah, I'm looking forward to keep using these things and catch some big perch. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.